Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some coloring. I'm going to be coloring 2 pages today. The first is this really pretty floral mandala, and the second one is going to be a calendar page. If you don't know, I have an Etsy shop and I sell coloring pages in my Etsy shop, so if you also love to color and you're looking for some new designs, you can check out my Etsy shop. It'll be linked in the description below. So I just printed these out at Staples, and they're just normal laser print on regular printer paper. And I'm going to be using my Ohuhu Brush markers, which I got for my birthday last year, and I still love using them. I love coloring with these markers. They're so amazing. They blend beautifully. I love them, and I love the effect that it gives. However, be careful with these because they do bleed through pretty much everything. So as you can see, I'm using a spare sheet of paper behind the paper that I'm coloring, and also I have put down a board to protect my desk, just in case. And both the paper and the board got completely soaked with ink. So be careful when using these markers. Always put something behind what you're coloring to make sure to protect it. Also, if you did not know, I actually publish my coloring books on Amazon as well. So if you don't like to download and print your own coloring pages, and you'd rather just have a coloring book that's already printed and ready for you to use, I also have a new book out. I just published it. It is the Mandala coloring book. It has 100 mandala designs, so you can have a look at that. That will also be linked in the description and in the pinned comment. Mandalas are super fun to color, and I'm gonna just let you listen to some music and watch me color. I feel like these alcohol markers are so satisfying to watch in like fast forwarded. They look so cool blending into each other, and the color does change a little bit as the markers dry. So I'm gonna let you listen to some music, chill out, and enjoy watching me color, and maybe color along with me. to color the calendar page. Like I said, I'm coloring October, and this is also available in my Etsy shop. And I think it's super fun to have a little coloring session every month and create a unique calendar page just for you. And I'm just gonna let the music play and let you enjoy watching me color in these flowers. So that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!